waiting.
Now if you like say pot the bomb, person they cook something, they bomb for here. Until they make me the sneeze.
No, this one is symptoms of corona be this way. Better man just call isolation center so they go fit treat you well. I beg.
No be corona, something they bomb for here. Now everything they make me the sneeze.
Why you sure say food they burn? Now they cough like this, now they sneeze like this. No, better man I call isolation center go carry you treat you well.
Now pot wey the bomb, if you like come person back, you see am say no be corona.
No, I don't feel believe.